Getting a refund from Telegram can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is how you can do it. Step 1. Check the refund policy. Before initiating a refund request, review Telegram's refund policy to understand the conditions under which refunds are granted. This information can usually be found on their official website or within the app. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant details such as your account information, transaction ID, and any receipts or confirmation emails related to the purchase. This information will be essential when you submit your refund request. Step 3. Contact customer support. Open the Telegram app and navigate to the settings. Look for the Help or Support option to find the contact method. You can either send a message to the app or email their support team directly. Step 4. Submit your refund request. When contacting support, clearly explain your reason for the refund request. Include all gathered information and any supporting documents. Be concise and polite to increase the chances of a positive response. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support. Reference your previous communication and reiterate your request to ensure it is being processed. By following these steps, you can effectively request a refund from Telegram. Remember to be patient and persistent for the best results.